The next tool that we have on our toolbar is called edge sliding. Now, we went through a lot of tools, and these tools at the very top, this first set of tools, are the tools that you use almost every day. Every time when you work on some project, you'll be using these tools. But then there are some tools that you don't use often. For example, this poly build, I don't use it, so I have very rare use for that. Then the spin duplicate is often used. Then the smooth and randomize, I rarely use those. But then we have this tool called edge sliding. This is the kind of tool that I use almost every day when I'm working on something. So what it allows us to do is slide edges. So if we add an edge loop by pressing Ctrl R and add a loop cut like that, and let's say that I want to move it. Now I can press G to grab and then along the Y-axis and move it around, but these are two steps, and if I want to do this more efficiently, then let's see how this tool works, and then I can show you the keyboard shortcut. So you left click and hold on this icon and move it around. Now, you can do this with keyboard shortcut, and that's going to be G to grab and then G again, and it's going to let you do the edge slide. So that makes it really easy and quick. And oftentimes what happens is that if you have a model, for example, if we rotate this slightly like that, and now if you press G to grab, then you can't move this on the X or Y axis because that's no longer sort of aligned to the object, and edge sliding is still going to let you do that. So you press G twice, and then you can sort of very quickly align the edge if you need to. So double G, and just like that. So that's where you can sort of use this tool. It's a very helpful tool that I often use. Next we have this vertex slide. It lets you do same thing but for vertices. So if you have sort of loop of vertices selected, you can also sort of GG to move this around. So just simply double press G or twice, and then you can move that around. So you don't necessarily like need to switch to this edge sliding. So that's how you can use edge slide in Blender.